Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare another new recipe with banana for anti-wrinkles. To prepare today's recipe, first put sugar in a bowl. Sugar acts as a mild scrub, removes dead skin cells and smooths the skin, improves blood circulation. Bananas boost collagen production, soften wrinkles, even out skin tone. Egg yolk, what skin is it suitable for? Dry skin. The most suitable option is egg yolk. Reason: deeply nourishes dry skin. Restores oil balance. Ensures that the skin does not tighten. Wrinkles soften faster. Normal skin, also very suitable, gives the skin softness. Increases elasticity. Nourishes with powerful vitamins. Tired, dehydrated skin. Revitalizes complexion. Gives a glow effect, fills wrinkles from the inside. Honey. Benefits of honey for the skin. Reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin. The antioxidants in honey slow down the aging process of the skin, protect collagen, and smooth out wrinkles. Deeply moisturizes the skin. Honey is a natural humectant, attracts moisture. It moisturizes the skin from the inside, making it smooth and soft. Soothes redness and inflammation. The natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of honey reduce acne, redness, and irritation. Reduces pigment spots and blackheads. Honey brightens the skin tone, slows down the production of melanin, as a result of which pigment spots gradually disappear, heals wounds and injuries faster. Due to the antiseptic properties of honey, the skin's healing process is accelerated. Due to this, microcracks and acne scars gradually disappear. Smooths and softens the skin. With regular use, the skin becomes silky smooth, especially when mixed with bananas, eggs, yogurt, and cleanses pores and reduces tightness. Honey cleans pores from the inside, reduces the formation of blackheads. Summary: honey is one of the most powerful natural ingredients that moisturizes, rejuvenates, restores, and brightens the skin. Benefits of each product. Banana increases collagen production, smooths wrinkles, even 1 piece. Deeply nourishes the skin. Restores dry and tired skin. Slows down wrinkles. Tightens the face. Moisturizes the skin. Olive oil is a powerful emollient. It creates a natural protective layer on the skin surface and retains moisture inside. Very mask all over your face. Wait 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Recommended use 2 to 3 times a week.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll prepare an anti-wrinkle recipe. To prepare today's recipe, we will need egg yolks. We will also need bananas for this recipe. Banana is mashed to a puree state. Benefits: moisturizes the skin, increases collagen, smooths wrinkles. Egg yolk. Add egg yolk to the banana. Benefits: deeply nourishes the skin, plumps the skin, and increases its elasticity. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Add yogurt to this mask. The yogurt should be unsweetened. It will make the mask creamy. Benefits: whitens the skin, smooths wrinkles, makes the skin soft. Add honey to the mask. Benefits: reduces inflammation, restores skin. this recipe we will also need lemon. Benefits: reduces age spots, brightens the skin. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. How to use cleanse your face. Apply the mask in a thin layer to your face. Apply the mask in a thin layer to your face. Hold for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. You can apply a light dot cream on top. How often can it be used? 2 times a week. Within 2-3 weeks, the skin will become lighter, smoother, and firmer. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.